Hello and welcome back again to another video. I'm an instructor, so save this video, share this video, comment on this video as well. If you're new to the channel, I'm going to be demonstrating you in today's lesson how to pull up on the right hand side safely and how you can reverse safely as well and stop within 2 cars length. According to the examiner's point of view, and the mistakes that you can avoid, which I'm going to be running you through, and how it needs to be done. So keep watching it and let's get started. So in the beginning, I'm going to be moving up from a parked up position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare myself, going to carry my checks, going to indicate to the right, and I'm going to be joining the road safely. Now I'm going to be pulling up on the right hand side in a safe, legal and convenient place, right? So I've got nice spots that I can see. The examiner generally will say to you to pull up on the right hand side of the road, and you have to carry a couple of checks. So I'm going to be checking my center right wing mirror. I'm going to be signaling to the right, and I'm going to be steering over to the right, going to be covering the brake, and I'm going to keep my foot on the brake. Now I've come to a full stop, going to secure the handbrake. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to breathe in and breathe out for a couple of seconds. So one of the tips and that you can take on board would be the moment that the examiner tells you to pull up on the right hand side, you know right away is the moment that he wants you to carry the reversing exercise. Now from here, what you need to do is you need to prepare the car, do your observation and reverse back and stop within 2 cars length, and do your own judgment or measurement. So my 2 cars length would be literally just before the lamppost. Okay, now I'm going to get myself ready and I'm going to start the maneuver. So I'm going to prepare the car, putting the gate into reverse, going to release the handbrake, and here I'm going to start my observation from the right, because the traffic that will be flowing, especially the cars, are mainly on the left hand side. On the right hand side is just the pavement. I just have to watch out for pedestrians. If there's anyone that were to walk or were to be very close to the pavement, I would have come to a stop. And here I'm going to start the checks here. So I'm going to repeat the process again. So I'm going to do all my checks, and then here I'm going to be going backwards. So now there's a vehicle that's about to approach. I can see I'm going to come to a full stop. Now why did I come to a full stop? A couple of reasons. Reason number one, that car that was approaching, that was on the road, could potentially gone and park in front of me or behind me. That's one. Two, they could maybe go in their driveway forward and adjusting themselves backwards and then forwards, and so on and so on. I have to be liable and responsible of their actions, so that way I don't cause any complication along with them. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do my checks again, and I'm going to reverse back. So the goal here is I need to finish within 2 cars length, and then as I'm going back, just watch out the curb. You don't want to hit the curb, neither do you want to be too close to the curb. So good, keep looking, and also keep looking the back window as well. Yeah, it's very important. Head, back window, and then right, and that right wing mirror, the left wing mirror, then ahead. Keep looking, keep looking, keep looking. So it's all about looking, it's all about movement as well. Yeah, so this is what the examiner is looking for, that the student can do all round checks. Yeah, well done, good. So I would say this would be a good 2 cars length, and I am perfectly parked away from the road and away from the curb And yeah, this is the exercise which I have just done and I have just completed. So from here onwards, the examiner will then give you another instruction based on where he wants you to go. So he will then say to you, thank you so much, drive on when it's safe to do so and follow the road ahead. End of the road, take a left. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind to avoid making as an error, as a mistake, would be if anyone were to walk on the pavement and you see them coming very close, let's say about 2 cars, come to full stop and enable them to get past you, whether they're coming from ahead of you, from front or from the back. And then for other road users, whether there's a motorbike, whether there's a car, whether there's a van driver that are on the road that are approaching you from behind or ahead of you, come to a full stop, wait for a second, look at them, see what they're trying to do, let them get past you, and then do your observation and continue with the exercise. And lastly, when pulling up on the right hand side, make sure that it's safe for you to pull up on the right hand side of the road without slowing the oncoming traffic or changing someone's direction or pulling up too fast on the right hand side. You must take your time if you want to achieve the pulling up and reversing exercise. Now make sure to save this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe our channel. So you can find us on TikTok, you can find us on YouTube, you can find us on Instagram. And I hope that this video has helped you. Many of my students have watched this video, have gone through this process, have gone through these steps, and you can go through the same procedure. You can pass, you can smash this pulling up maneuver exercise. Yeah, and let us know if you find this video very helpful and informative, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.